Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how we can create a new user account or we can edit the user account. First give the T code SU01. Enter the username which you want to create or edit and click on this change icon. Here give the information. Click on the login data and give the password over here for the user account. In the profiles, give the permissions you want to give. I am giving SAP all and SAP new permissions also. Now click on the save icon to save the user account which we have created. Now we are going to log in with this user account. Enter the username which we have created just now. Give the password. We have logged in with the new user account. So this is how we can create a new user account or we can edit the user account. You can contact me for installing SAP IDES EC6 and SAP S/4HANA on your PC or server or network or cloud, or set up your own SAP server on internet. It will have the master data, lifetime validity year 9999, a web developer key and FIORI in it. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.